It's your girl Tiara here, and today I am back with another video. So y'all, let's do a cook with me. Let's make some birria tacos. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get right into it. I just came from the store and I got everything. You know, you gotta go to a little meat market. You can't go to Publix or Walmart. Well, I don't really shop at Publix no more, y'all, because if you follow me on TikTok, you see I said I'm only shopping at Publix for bare minimum things, because Publix has gotten too expensive, and my mama raised me off of Publix. Anyway, so you gotta go to a little meat market, a little Cubano store, a Spanish store. You gotta go to like a real Spanish store to get the real stuff. So that's what I did, and it come out much more cheaper. So I'm cleaning my meat right now. Show y'all everything that you need for this. Hold on. I'll make sure to put everything in the description, but you need corn tortillas, so I got that. You need some limes. You need some ancho peppers and guajillo. You can also use chili or Adobo, but I use this as a cheat code because I ain't trying to buy one peppers. So the Chipotle peppers and Adobo sauce. Why is it not focused? Hold on, y'all. Can you see it? Chipotle peppers and Adobo sauce. I got two because they didn't have a big one. And some bay leaves and some other ingredients. But as I go along the video, you'll see what else you need. So let's get right into it, y'all. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna season my meat now. I got a tablespoon of green seasoning. I'm gonna add another one. I'm gonna add 2. I'm gonna add some garlic powder, complete seasoning. I'm gonna add some paprika, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of cinnamon to give it that sweet little taste that's in the burrito. Just a little bit, because you can either use cinnamon sticks or cinnamon powder. So I have cinnamon powder, so that's what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna mix all this up, and then we're gonna take it to the pot. All right, so we're gonna take some oil and we're going to get it nice and hot so that we can sear the meat. Once the oil gets nice and hot, you're gonna add the meat to the pan, and you're just gonna let it brown on each side. Alright, y'all, I cut up some tomatoes, some onion, and I diced some too. So now we're gonna get into the tedious part of this, is cut up these peppers and remove the seeds. You can get this at a Spanish store. That's what I told y'all. I went to a Spanish store, honey. They'll hook you up. If you can't find them there, you can probably get these from Amazon. Because Walmart and Publix doesn't usually have all of those. And some bay leaves. Bay leaves is everywhere. But I'm gonna cut these up and I'll show y'all. Alright, so you're gonna take you a pair of scissors just so that you can open the peppers up so that you can take out all the seeds. If you don't get all the seeds out, that is fine, because when you boil these, you can use a strainer to make sure that no seeds get into the food. Okay, so it should look like this. So now we're gonna take the tomatoes, onions, and the peppers, and we're going to boil it until it gets nice and soft. You can boil it on high for about 10 minutes, and then you're going to add all the contents to the blender, also with the adobo peppers, and you're just going to blend it all up. Okay, your meat should be done browning, something like this, and you're going to remove the meat from the pot. Now you're going to add you some beef broth so that you can deglaze the pot with all those good flavors from when you brown the meat. Now you're going to add the meat back, and then you're going to also add the blended peppers, tomato, and onions into the pot. Then you're just going to stir it, add your bay leaves, add your lid on, and let it cook for about 2 hours or until the meat is nice and tender. Okay, your meat should be nice and tender. You can chop it up even more fine, up to your liking. Then you're going to start prepping the best part. You can use a griddle or you can use your stovetop but you're just gonna start assembling your tacos. So you're gonna dip the tortilla in the consomme, which is the broth from the meat. Then you're gonna add your meat, you're gonna add your onion, you're gonna add some cilantro and some lime. I use corn tortillas because they're more crunchy. And then you're just gonna cook it, and then you're gonna also add your cheese, and then just allow it to cook and allow the cheese to melt, and then it'll get nice and crunchy, and then that's really gonna be it. And then you can also serve your tacos with more consomme, just so that you have something to dip it in. So yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will put all the ingredients down in the description. And this is how you have your birria tacos. See you guys next time.